Test your English level. Designed for A1 learners. Part 1. This test consists of 30 questions that assess your understanding of English at the beginner level. For the following questions, 1 to 30, choose A, B, or C. I can't find my keys. I don't know where they are. Is he a teacher? Yes, he is. How often do you brush your teeth? 3 times a day. We don't often have friends over for dinner. That's Jennifer's car. It's costly. In summer, I get up early on Sunday mornings. Please, can you stop making noise? I'm reading a book. When did they arrive? Does she have any brothers? What are you going to do tomorrow? How much sugar do you want in your tea? Maxwell is the strongest player on the team. I sat comfortably on the couch and watched a documentary. I got up and had breakfast quickly because I was late. Is there any water in the fridge? We are happy with our new dog. Do you have an umbrella? These are my favorite shoes. She doesn't live with his parents, she lives with his brother. I go to the gym on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Do you work on weekends? When did she arrive? He can't speak Spanish, but he can speak German. I'd like to travel around Europe next summer. Don't watch this film. It's horrible. I needed help and she offered to help me. There aren't many options for us. It's important to do exercise regularly. There were very dark clouds above us. My sister's school is further than my school. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this test, please like the video, share your score and thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tests. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.